are Bangalore apartment. It's a huge society with nearly 600 cars are there. Besides,
9-acre area.
yeah, it's 9 to 10 acre area, and more amenities are there. You'll feel like you are in a different world. ସେପଟେ ସିନା ଆମକୁ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ଦେବା କଥା। Glass, no? So camera is towards that area now. It's okay.
On the left, you can see Meenakshi temple.
Yes.
Yeah, currently the road is
We'll pass now that Meenakshi temple. Left side is Meenakshi temple. Might be it's gone. And now is you can see the Cinepolis, right side. That is Meenakshi Mall. Beside to that, Mantri Pinnacle Society is there. Apartment building is there. If you go straight, then that area is Dairy Circle, Jayadeva Hospital, and the right to Hulima will come.
Hulima means this area.
Yeah. Metro construction is still going on since 3 years. It will take time to complete in Bannerghatta. Bannerghatta road. Distance you can see the apartment building. That one is Mahindra.
Yeah, Mahindra Life Spaces.
No, Mahindra Life Spaces. This one is confirm.
That
okay,
one
okay.
There at the front.
Details are coming. Very less. Due to weekend curfew, you can see more vehicles on the road. Very few vehicles are running.
Yesterday there were many vehicles.
Yesterday, yeah. I have not uploaded that video. there, then you have to say which location is there. I'll mention the text.
Now Arikere Junction will come. Now after a few hundred meters, Arikere Junction will come. It is one of the most busiest areas of Bangalore. Currently, it's not that much busy. Otherwise, usually it is.
Yes, Arikere Junction is always getting
Yeah,
heavy traffic.
roadblocks.
You will stay here in the traffic for
Yeah, you
more
will get
than
stuck in the traffic for more than 10 to 15 minutes. You will get stuck.
We have to go a distance, but don't take the shortcut way because you will find more traffic police there. I will say that my car is not getting traffic. That's why I cannot. To stop in the traffic here in the Arikere Junction.
No, now just one.
Today is no traffic is there.
No, it's not there. You can see it.
Less traffic.
Comparatively less. And especially due to metro construction, it's more worse.
South India more left side gone, no?
Yeah, it is Reliance
From
Mart.
far, it took the stop. It took the video.
Left side is Bangalore Central.
Left side gone.
Bannerghatta.
Already gone. Bangalore Central.
Here, senior police is also there.
In the Bannerghatta road, the thing is you will enjoy more here. You will find more school and malls
yeah.
and hospitals.
And
so-
also apartments.
Yeah, apartments are also there. You can say this is both the commercial and residential area.
Yeah.
The most entertaining
like
place,
Bannerghatta.
I think. We are very happy in Bannerghatta road. Whitefield also. That one is also yet to be gone. This is Fortis Hospital in the left side.
Besides that, Apollo will come.
The next to it is Apollo
And
Hospital.
on the right, there's IIM Bangalore.
IIM, it will come. In the right side, you can see the campus
No.
greenery. That one is Bangalore IIM. Greenery campus, right side. This is the main entrance gate, I think. Yes, IIM entrance gate.
Yeah.
And the campus is full of greeneries. It's very peaceful surrounding here. Vishal Mega Mart is also one in the left side. The first thing is Bangalore is very much having a pleasant climate. That thing is main for which people are wishing to stay here.
But nowadays it's slightly becoming warmer and warmer.
Yes, the Kalyan Mandap gone, no? Left side one Kalyan Mandap gone. That one is some ministers, I think. Kalyani group. Kalyani jewelry. Jewelry, their Kalyan Mandap is there. From which stop it started?
After I am.
After I am Vilekale
Vilekahalli.
area started.
Left side Malabar.
Left side Mana. Now we are going to right side. Okay. Red light. Red light, red light. What do you say? I say, please stop. Could you remember some your poem, childhood poem?
Ahead there on the right, you can see a red color building. Ahead there on the right, you can see a red color building. That is brand factory outlet.
And left side,
Left side.
Kalera.
Hyundai,
some shopping mart you can say. Shopping mall.
Yeah.
Many more
one
projects.
shopping
Mantri
complex.
having many more
Nagarjuna.
projects here, apartment projects here.
Nagarjuna restaurant.
Nagarjuna restaurant, KFC in the left
Ganesh.
side. Now Bhega City Camp. In the front you
Bangalore's
can
first
say.
largest
In the
mall.
front. And left side, huge apartment is there with helipad. This one is named Uru.
We are currently going live.
Uru restaurant beside to that apartment is
Malad Pimento.
Marat Pimento. Yeah.
Now we are entering BTM layout. This is an important residential area of Bangalore.
Shopping mart. So here. So we can say about the location name. No can say. Doctor can say also. No?
This is a BTM layout. Second stage. We are going towards
Mariwala Lake,
Madiwala Lake.
one of the biggest lakes of Bangalore.
One of the
After
biggest.
This Madiwala Lake is the biggest lake in Bangalore.
No,
After,
not one of the biggest lakes.
yeah.
In Bangalore.
But before that, it was saying which lake was Belandur.
Belandur is even now